all depends. And this is actually pushing one of my bigger red days, so I want to take it easy here. Once the accuracy is poor, we got to recognize that and not overdo it. That there's no need to be down 2 grand. Below 56. So we're holding that previous support around 53, it seems like. We got the new candle. It looks like it might be getting ready here. Struggling a bit.
No, not
As
right
long as
now.
we don't
Thank you.
see a flush again, I think it should be good. If it continues to hold 50, 55 area, I think it's great. How well is it going to hold? Okay, we are seeing some
5.
green, so I'll take it here. And
Good entry.
let's see if we get the retest. Man, these entries are a nightmare though, man. I mean, you know, if you're not buying the bid,
Let's
you got
take
to
a
be really
high day.
careful.
Come on.
Slippage is
Oh, this
real.
candle is 50.
The break-even trade, the idea of the break-even trade is no more.
Here we go.
The idea of the break-even trade is no more.
So half there. See if we can't get the other half over high day.
So let's see how well this can do here. And, you know, it's held up really well the first time, so let's see how strong we are and can we break over those key levels. What's it gonna be? Where are those bulls, KB?
Was down 150.
Are the
Now back to
bulls
break
here?
even. Finally
Are
catching a
they
good
aligned
trade.
for a new high?
You
Green.
can
Here
see
we go.
85.
INNN.
75 is the high. Damn, see right, 75 to 85. Oh, where'd I get sold? 80? Bitch.
Do not. It's failing.
Yes,
Jeez.
man, what a great trade.
I
Went
tell you,
from
this
minus
sucks.
150 to only minus
Man,
$5.
why?
On
Why
this
such a
trade,
bad breakout after a nice move? It did
I
hold 55, but I don't
made
like
back
it.
my gains.
Not
This
as
is the one
good.
I
We should
lost
be
on.
going for
Earlier, I
7.
took 1,000 shares at 365 and had to cut it at 350.
Dangerous.
150.
Gotta
Then
be
I got
careful
back
these
in
stocks, man.
355.
COSM.
Hold it down 1
I'm down
second.
$1,000. This is unbelievable. It doesn't feel like I'm red.
I got long
Entries.
right here
And I know I got
versus
some bull
here.
fills here and there, but
Cut here.
come on.
Long again
I have
right
nothing.
here
It doesn't feel like I'm down more than
versus
400 is how it feels. But I look at my P&L, I'm down 1100. Now I have
here.
no choice but to just take it slow. Let's not think about it, or else we'll get frustrated. Let's keep watching this move and see what it really wants to do, because it's still holding up here. All right, we didn't break below that level of 50, which was good. So maybe the algos, just flushing down a bit. Market makers doing what they do. Maybe stopping out a few people to then go again. That was a good trade though. We're in at 56, coming out around 72, 74, and then I think another trade over the level. You see, once we break the highs and we dip into the previous high of day, which was 75. I'm not selling immediately because I'm expecting the stock to hold right there, and then can we break over 7? I always buy that dip. I always buy that dip, and that's. I mean, I guess that's part of the reason why I'm red today too. If I would have bought there 2,500, I've been stopping out at 50. You know, I mean, it's just not good. It's not good at all. Am I gonna buy that dip tomorrow? Of course, but tomorrow it better not be dropping down like this. I always take the previous high of day dip. Unless there's a very obvious trend that says it's not working, then I'm not gonna trade it, of course. But is today just a fluke? We're still holding up fairly well. If it cracks over 80, I think I'll jump in. Let's get my hands back on the buy button. The risk is real, ladies and gentlemen. If you didn't know, now you know. Day trading is risky. I'm not gonna lie, that trade at 23 was my own fault though, because the low was 18. I had it in my mind, do not sell unless it breaks below 18. Once we saw 33, it comes back down to 22. I start seeing that red on the tape, and I start thinking, oh, flush is gonna come. So what
I'd
do I
be at
do? I swing the
79.
position to
Let's get over
flat.
79. Come on. That would be like,
Gotta
that's
be a little
actually
bit more
probably a good
firm in those
ad.
areas. Because even if
379.
we took the same loss,
Because
at least
look,
we probably would
379
have,
lines up with this breakout.
we probably would have just been down like
379
200,
versus
300,
3.
because that
What would I
gainer
want to
gives us a
risk
good
though?
trade,
Ooh, you have to risk this 343.
right? So you gotta have that offset, right? If you're gonna at least take a big loss, you gotta make sure you got some big gains. That way you're either flat or maybe slightly red, maybe even a little green, depending on how long it compelled shares into the move. This still has a lot of potential though, so let's see how it does if it gets over 80. Because when it starts to move, there's an aggressive amount of volume that comes in, and then we get a new high of day.
A lot of times when I sell, that's when they spike it. So let's just see.
There is still an entry that I like if it comes down again,
So 1/10 of half.
but I still, I got to be careful.
Looks good right here. 73 over 76 looks strong.
69.
Come on, let's break 376 and send it over a high day right now.
63.
Come on, baby.
COS7 has been halting up and going higher, by the way. Well, it's on a red to green, I should say. It's on a red to green.
Come on.
Watching here. Are we about to see something?
Oh, here we go. Come on. Shoot it. Shoot it. Blast it. Blast it. La, 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 la. Send it. Ah.
Pierced the new high. No.
All right, you locked half.
Same kind of high.
You sweet Christmas baby. All right, you locked half. You're good. Now you hold the other half for glory. Went from down
Look at all that
150
false
to up
breakout.
120. Nice $300
Volume
swing.
swing there.
Oh, don't do that. Don't you even think about it.
We did get a new high, 92. I mean, jeez Louise. Yeah, once the volume comes, it's aggressive. What happened right there? I was looking for a push over 7, but
That was a
didn't quite come.
huge move. That's exactly what we wanted.
So I just sold flat.
Come on now, send it over 4,
That
man.
was aggressive though, right? That volume, once it gets ready, that volume is aggressive up there. Buyers are still coming in, but it's pretty dicey here.
Come on, send it over
I
4.
wouldn't be
4.
surprised if we see another pullback to
Come
3.
on, you can do it. Get over 4. The next breakout level is 415. And then you got 450. Might see some struggle at 4.
This is a nice test of strength though.
Come on, shoot it. Hiya.
If
Blast it.
we saw everything
Zablast.
60 before the
Big
breakout,
green candle. Big green candle. Big green
COSM.
candle. Big,
I
big,
wouldn't
big
mind
green candle.
50, like
There we
mid
go. Come on.
50s
Here we
again,
go.
but
Here we go. Here we go.
we didn't really quite come down.
The high of this candle is 88. Over 88, it sends it. And then the low of this
Hey,
candle is
how are you guys doing,
83.
man? I hope you
88
guys
by
are seeing some
83.
green. Yeah, COSM, I see it. It's on the screen up here too.
Come on.
This one
Do
is
it.
also halted up.
88 by
Halted
83.
up again.
3-minute flag. Send it into a freaking blast, bro. Straight to 450 right now. Come on. Come on. Over 88. Here we go. 89, 90, 91, 93, 95. Come on. Send it higher, man.
I can already see it. I can already feel how riled up I'll be doing the recap.
Come on.
Yeah, I'll be pretty riled
It's
up
going to
doing
shoot
the
up over
recap
4
with
here. I can
being
feel it.
green here.
You got one more sell.
The other one is also into the second halt. The question is, how much more risk do I want to take on a day where I'm not seeming like I'm accurate? If I'm up $1,000, you best believe I'll be jumping into this halt resumption like no tomorrow because everything is working. Right now, everything is not working. So, do I still want to jump into this halt resumption? Maybe even if I go 500 shares.
250 left, baby. Let's go.
250. Can I make $1 a share?
What a turnaround today, bro.
I haven't been watching at the stock, so I'm not sure of the range.
Fuck.
Now it is an $11 stock. $10
Beautiful.
stock.
Love it.
Can we go from 1060 to 1160?
54. I gotta see it go under 52 if I'm gonna buy it.
Assumption is at 2303. We did get the dip and a rip out of the first halt. It seems like from looking at the charting. I take it, but I gotta know that I'll be down another two. And I guess at this, but you don't want to get into that mindset of what is another 250, because then before you know you're down 1600.
Oh, that was the dip. I looked away for a split second. Shit.
Yeah, it looks like we're breaking down here to 30. We got a low of 43.
That was a great entry.
Still looks good, The VWAP is at 31.
Sits at 46 right there.
This would be the second pullback on the 5-minute charting. So we'll watch this COSF move, and hopefully there's a good entry. If not, I'll stay away. If there is,
I can see
we got about
44.
a minute. Oh, actually a couple seconds. So let's watch here. COSM. We're all at 1067. Couple seconds.
Happen.
Here we go.
Here we go. Under 45. Come on.
75.
There we go. Versus 38. What did I get? 42.
Nope. No rip. Now it's pathetic. We'll be down $20.
Oh, I shouldn't have sold that. Damn it. Damn. Ah.
No rip through 11.
Ah. I nailed it and I sold it too soon. No.
It has range. It's already back up.
Damn it. I thought it was going lower right when I sold it.
Oh no.
And it went higher. That's cool. I jewed myself on that one. What is this low? 38. Damn.
It needs to break 11 if it's gonna,
Damn it. That's cool. I have this candle is 50. Quick dip under 50, I have to take it. Come on, give me a quick dip under 50. 49, 48. Come on.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay,
49 or
let's
48.
start
There it
feeling
is.
like the day.
49.
You know, what
What did I
about
get?
it, man?
47.
This
All right.
month has been
Beautiful.
great. This month has been hot. I mean, today's been good. It's been hot. A relentless trader coming out on the wrong side of the momentum.
Got
These days
47.
will
That was a
happen,
sweet
and so when
entry.
they happen, we gotta take them on the chin. You know, take them on the chin, move on. The key is not to do anything crazy, and then we're really feeling bad about the day. We did follow our rules.
Long 43.
We just came up a little short. We came up on the wrong side of the momentum. You know, that's what this day trading
That was
is.
a great
It's a very
entry.
fine line between being green and being red every day, and it's a testament to why it is so hard. It's never easy. It never was. It never will be. And
Get
so
10 clicks now.
tomorrow when I show up here again, I gotta bring it again because it'll be just as hard, and there's nothing stopping us ultimately from having a red day.
Caught it at
Just as
43.
easy as it
The
is to
low of
be
this candle
green,
is
we can be red,
42.
and we'll be right on the other side. So my drawdown continues. I literally just got over my drawdown by like $100 on Friday.
All right, it's
I was
holding.
down 1,200 over like 3 days, and we made it back between Tuesday and Friday of last week. Monday of this week, one step forward, one step back, but we will be relentless. We will stay relentless. Relentless is our middle name, and so there is no adversity too great. There is no adversity. There is no wall too tall. So we'll stay dialed. We'll keep paying attention, and once we do the
Got
recap,
there.
we'll watch back. We'll see where we can make some
It's gonna go. Damn
improvements.
it! It did that to me last time too. Fuck.
We'll be right back at it
For
tomorrow.
sure that should have went lower.
COSM. What I do like about this day is that it's not just one trade. It's like we had a series of trades, a sequence of events that kind of led to us being down some higher fills where we maybe could have been a little bit more patient. Maybe should have bought the bids on the other stock. Right, we're in at 46. We should have been, or 48. We should have been in at like 40, 41. So we had some technical things we could have done better.
Got
We could have
51
done a
versus
little
50
long
right
runs
there.
trade here on
So that
VKTX,
54. Fuck, it sold at 53.
and then we got caught in both of the
High of
flops.
this is 58. That's a sucker.
You got to be accurate and precise, and this thing is still holding up here. COSM. If it breaks over 11, I'd be interested. I'd watch the whole dollar setup, but it's coming down some more. I'll check in on the Discord. Let's see how the guys over there are doing.
I feel like it's gonna go
Let's
lower here.
see.
Mm.
I gotta scroll up,
Just don't feel
maybe.
like I can buy it at 49, you know?
Red Day recap. At least we had no platform issues today, right?
PNA.
I guess that was a good thing.
Holding.
I forgot about that actually. Right as I started trading,
That's where the early longs would have
we
got
had
it.
no
Okay, and it's
platform
working
issues
for him.
today,
So
which is
next little
great.
quick flash, I have to take it. Red. Quick flash of red, I have to take it.
Dan with a great short trade in pre-market there. Really nice stuff. I'm not really seeing a lot of P&Ls or anything yet, so maybe some of the guys are still trading. Maybe a little after 10:30, we'll get a few more people to post. Peter Tosh, Crystal Ball.
All right, that was it. I nailed that.
Maybe I gotta check
55.
that out, Steve.
That was it.
So
I will sell this one way higher.
yeah, I'm not seeing any P&Ls really. Probably maybe it was a bit of a slower day. I don't know. But we'll wait a little bit. Most people are probably still trading. Anybody still watching VKTX? It's still help VWAP. Notorious green 127 for now, pretty good. Yeah, VKTX still held VWAP on the second
Unless we
5-minute
see, there it
pullback
is.
here.
Before we had to sell it.
You know, these are entries that
We got
want to be
54
looking at,
for it.
but you know, I've basically thrown the white flag for the
If it
day.
goes higher there, that's gonna piss me off. Alright, there's a 20,000 seller at 660. Oh, it's gone.
Covert, green as well.
Shit. Good sell. Good sell, brother.
Man, I just hate to look at a chart that looks like this and then be red. I mean, it just looks so good. You know, I mean, look at the 5 minute
Still green
pullback.
on it.
This
58.
does happen to me every now and again, though. But you know, it's why I
Big
want
buyer
to have a legit
58.
chance to trade the stock.
Ah,
Sometimes, and I know this might
I
sound
got 58
crazy,
right there. Shit.
sometimes it feels better to
Got
trade the
crushed.
stock and be red, and then not even be able to trade at all, because at least you gave it a good shot. You took great entries, and when you're profitable,
25.
more
Damn
times
it.
than not, you're on the green
That's
side
alright.
of things. So that's always good. So glad had the opportunity. We didn't have any broker issues, which was
Still
good.
green on that.
So hopefully, we don't get any lag again anytime soon.
Still only the first 5 minute candle to make a new high will be
So on the second 5 minute
663.
pullback, it's a little bit of a longer pullback compared to the first one that came close to VWAP. But from lows of what was the low? Did we get down to 30? Let's see. We came as low as 38. From 38, we got to 63. I would have wanted lower than 38 though, so I don't know if I'd have been in. But we saw a nice curl back to the upside.
Now's a bad, it's sucky ass Phil. God bless America. Just got fucked twice. Alright, well, you're done trading that one.
This is one to
Okay.
review, man. I'm probably gonna watch this back right away. VKTX.
Well, let's just keep watching it to see how it works. That stopped me
Let's
out
see
right
what we
there. Where did
can
I get
do
on?
here.
44.39.
This month has not been a good month. This month has been pretty subpar considering the momentum we've had. So that hasn't been good. Today does not help. It's why when we do have days like Friday, you want to be there.
Problem with this one, it has a lot of
There's
red
much
candles in
distance
a row, you
between
see.
you and your high of day. Your high of day well, all-time highs. Let's say
One,
that
two,
all-time highs,
or we'll just count this one.
and
1, 2, 3,
maybe
4.
four all-time
1,
highs, better
2, and then the
all-time
third
highs.
one.
Our goal will be 4 green days for the rest of this week. Last week was pretty similar. We started red and then we had 4 green days. The goal today, the goal for the rest of the week will be green and getting ourselves out of this hole. Hopefully it's just 1 or 2 days
Yeah,
because
I don't want
we
to
don't
trade
want to
it
be
anymore.
taking all week for $1,000 deficit. It's not that bad. It's one good day. So hopefully we see some good momentum tomorrow, maybe Wednesday, and we can be right back.
Yeah, we'll just be done with it.
Um,
Head and shoulders here.
for those of you heading out after here, 10:30, be sure to stay safe, stay green. Usually around the holidays, the market. I've experienced hot markets throughout the years around the holidays. Last year, Q4 was good. I think December so far has been pretty good. I gotta acknowledge that there was good momentum today despite ending red. I mean, the stock did do pretty well from 532
Huh.
to 670 and gave good
It's
pullback
kind of
today.
what happened that one time too. Got me
Crossed
right
over VWAP
here.
and
Or here.
nice move
Make the
up,
money
pull
back
back,
from
nice
here
move,
to
pull back,
here.
nice move.
Or no, from here to here. So we get that push up the
Yeah,
next
around the
dip.
holiday, the market is cyclical, so there could be slow holidays, hot holiday periods. But so far, I think the market is in a good place. how much in taxes this year. We'll probably have to pay like 7,000 or something. I don't know. It's never really a fun time, and of course, the more you're making, the more they're taking. And we've had those conversations in our discords, in our Discord channels, and we've had big traders come and talk, and having to pay like 300,000, and you got to do what you got to do. Different people will pay different amounts. People, this is one of those topics people don't really talk about as much because it's so subjective, right? It depends on the individual. Um, it depends on the person. It depends on what you own and what you have, where you are financially, and not just with trading, right? Do you own like if you own other businesses and you have certain things you can write off, then you're probably not going to be paying as much as somebody who's just maybe trading and making $1 million, right? Like if you have a lot of depreciation you can write off against, and just other expenses in general. You
Damn it. Sold it right where I should have been buying it. I even waited longer this time. It still got me. It's tough. Tough, tough, tough. Having some troubles in the 90s, high 90s here. Ooh. Held up when I went and got some coffee. It's nice. 415 is a clear breakout level. Head and shoulders. Yeah. Glad I avoided that. Here we go. Come on. 415, bro. Got the breakout at 415. Definitely want to sell it around 415. This first part. Come on. Let's not do this BS. You know you're going to just shoot straight up here. Come on. Oh, come on. So close to the breakout level right now. Might set up again. If it pulls all the way back to like right here. Just a little shake. We'll see. We have 125 left. Sure glad I rebought that after taking a max loss. Would have been nice if I didn't take that $150 loss. I'd be up freaking 350, 400 on the day instead of just 300. I think I'm just gonna sell it off. Just take my money. If it shoots up here, that's unfortunate. Plus 250. Sweet. Sweet trades. Hope y'all enjoyed it.